It has been 8 years since Melina Campbell's husband was hit and killed by a drunk driver headed the wrong way, leaving her as a single mother raising 3 children. As of the start of this year, a new law is in effect across Tennessee to help people in her situation and discourage driving under the influence. This one is really different. WATE Issacs on your side, legal expert Greg Issacs is here. Thank you so much for joining us. So first things first, let's explain how this law works.
The Tennessee legislature has gotten tough on drunk drivers, and they've done it with a little common sense and a little prodding from Tennessee judges. Our legislature enacted Ethan, Bentley, and Haley's Law. The law is named for children that lost their parents in alcohol-related fatalities here on the highways of Tennessee.
And the punishment is something that a lot of people are talking about.
Well, and it is, because we all talk about, you know, what do you do with the families that lose a mother or a father or a breadwinner? And the legislature came up with a good answer. Now, if there is an alcohol-related fatality, vehicular homicide, or assault, you can be ordered to pay child support.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's a very complex process. There's actually a hearing, and to determine how much that family member contributed to the family, what a reasonable amount of child support would be. And Lori, the drunk driver, is on the hook until that child or those children turn 18.
Okay, here's the question. That driver goes to prison. How much can they be expected to be able to pay?
Well, that's a good question, and this is a bill that makes a great deal of, or has a great deal of common sense. Basically, it's on hold, and they get a year after they get out to get the defendant's income earning capacity back to normal, and then it kicks in again. So you can't hide behind your jail sentence and not pay your child support obligation.
How would this be enforced?
How would it be enforced? Because once you're on probation, if you don't comply, you could go back to jail. So the judge has got much more teeth in a civil judgment. And all too often here in Tennessee, we hear this driver was underinsured, no insurance, so there's no civil remedy for the family. But this is a good one. It gives the family an out. So basically, if you don't work and pay to support these children, you're back in jail.
This was an emotional story with this mom who said, you know what, my kids' lives would have been so different had their dad lived. They could have gone to the college of their choice. They could have done these other things.
Lori, last year, 228 people lost their lives on Tennessee highways based on alcohol-related fatalities. And it's about time that we get tough.
All right, Greg, thank you.
Thank you.